What is up, YouTube? So I wanted a optic ready carry gun. I don't have one. I got a couple of the micro nines, but when I got my Hellcat, the optic ready one, it was hard to find, so I just grabbed what I can grab. Didn't think I would want an optic on a gun anyway, but here we are now. So I decided to go with a Sig P365X, the X version. And the reason I did that is because I already got a Hellcat. I already got a couple of shields that I rotate between. So I wanted something different. And from my research, when I seen most of the YouTube gun channels, the big boys on the block, switching from a Glock to a Sig P365, I knew that was a gun I needed to take a look at. I went to the range, shot a P365X, rented one rather, shot it, and then I liked it. I ordered one. I didn't buy it from them because they tried to screw me up there. But here it is. This box is becoming as iconic as the Glock box, because when I went to pick this up and they was bringing it out of their room, you could hear people out there, oh, somebody getting a Sig, somebody getting it. So they know, even though the sign is on there, you know what I mean? The guy had the case down and people were still like, that's a Sig, So this is what you get in it. Now I have took the gun out because I wanted to inspect it while I was up there. Here's your gun. A little bit longer of the handle, that makes it an X. And let me get this chamber flag out of here. Comes with two 12-round magazines. I don't know if this will pick up. Maybe you can see it, maybe you can't. But there's your 12-hole indicator. And the follower is black on the original. Here's the other one, 12-hole indicator. But I installed a Magguts kit in this one to see how it runs. I want to see how they run. I'm going to go to the range and shoot them today. And the Maggut kits allow you to get 2 extra rounds in the original magazine. So you'll have 14 plus 1 in the chamber. That's 15 rounds. That's how I'm going to carry it anyway, if it runs right. And it's not a big difference. Here's the 12-rounder, the original. This is how it looks. Here's my hand. Pay attention to my bottom finger. Now, it's 12 plus 1 on there. I like the way this thing feels, to be honest with you. Now, here is the Magguts kit installed in here. Just a little bit more extra where you can get your finger completely on there. And now you got 14 plus 1. Okay? This is the other one, Magguts kit for this magazine. I'm going to install it after I go to the range and shoot both of these together. This gun comes with the X-ray. So let me get this box out the way. First of all, you got your paperwork and your lock right up inside of there. So that's that. But it comes with the X-ray sights. It ain't gonna pick up. They tritium in there. They night sights. Now, what people don't know is I'm old enough to remember that when the P365, the original, first came out, it was having a lot of problems. People remember that part, but what they don't remember was the night sights were optional. They did not come on every gun. You had to get them separately. But when they did the recall, when you sent your gun in, it came back with night sights. So they was including night sights for all P365s because of the problems. I guess basically saying, sorry for beta testing, y'all. We're going to throw you some night sights on there. But I remember that. And another thing I remember too is they didn't date the guns back then. You know, now on the side of the box, they let you know when the gun was made. Now, let me see. Mine. This gun here is made in January the 18th, 2024. I picked it up yesterday. For me, it was February the 7th, 2024. So this is a newbie, okay? So people they don't want to talk about that, but it's true. Now, things that I don't like immediately, just out of the feel of it, is good. But the trigger, the trigger is nice. This is a metal trigger. This is a flat trigger. The trigger feels nice, but listen to how plasticky this sounds. That is it might not come through on the camera, but if you get one and if you go to the range or if you go to the gun store and check that, it sounds plasticky. The reset sounds nice. But I did some research again. I checked some videos. People were saying that about it, so it wasn't an issue. I thought something was wrong with the gun when I first heard it. Where's my Hellcat? Now here's my Hellcat. Okay. Now listen to the difference. Sounds much better. There's the reset. That's how it's supposed to sound. That's how all the other guns sound. This one just sounds, the Sig just sounds really on the plasticky side. It's all good though, but you know, things that I do like is, like I said, you get to retain your rear sights when I put in my red dot. The gun is modular, so this trigger system comes out. Here's the pin for removing it. And once you pull that out, you can put it in any lower P365, longer or whatever, and you got yourself a whole different gun. So I wanted me an optic ready version. And like I said, I seen all the YouTubers, the big boys on the block. I mean, diehard Glock fans switched over to a P365. So I knew this was a gun I needed to look at. But I just wanted to give y'all a quick look at it. You know, you might be interested in it. I will upload a video showing you the difference between my Hellcat, because the Hellcat is thicker. This Hellcat is definitely thicker. I carry the Hellcat every day, so I know. It's a little bit thicker. It's square here, opposed to this. And I'm interested to see if I can shoot. I'm going to shoot them side by side. If I could shoot this one as good as I shoot this, because these sights are spot on. I love these sights. I love them, but my eyes getting a little bit bad, so I want to get a red dot. And another thing, watch. I'm going to show you. You see how my finger can't touch here on the Hellcat? See the difference? This feels good, but I wanted it to be a little bit thicker, so I ordered me a whole grip, which means the Hellcat is thicker from here to here, width-wise. So I like the feel of it right now, and you know, it's got like a matte black finish. That's okay. I wish it would have had the Glock finish. I mean, this Glock finish is, this black is completely beautiful. Love this gun. I take this, I don't carry it as much. I carry it when I go up north hiking with friends and stuff like that. They got black bear, coyote, and stuff like that. That's when I carry this, or my XD40. I carry the 40. I used to carry both of these in the wintertime, but you know, now technology with this 9mm is getting so good that, you know, if people wearing Carhartt coats and you need to get up in there, they got rounds that you can get up in there. And believe me, I got some of them. So I will do a video comparing the two of these. I might do a video comparing my Shield 2 with it, because I love this gun. This is the gun. This is my 2.0. This is the one I carry. I would been carrying this, rotating between this and the Hellcat. You know, Apex trigger on this. I changed out the sights completely. At first I didn't, but I did. Love this gun too, but you know, it's capacity low. And I want an optic. I didn't want, you know, another shield. I got 2 shields. I got a Hellcat. So I wanted something different. So there you go. I will upload another video showing you the difference between these two as far as the size and length. Peace.